It is Meal Prep Sunday and we are in the kitchen actually making breakfast, but I wanted to give you some tips for what the best way to tackle your meal prep and meal planning when you're actually away, like we are this weekend. So being away on holiday, we're actually out of town, and this is how I'm tackling my meal planning and prepping for this week. Firstly is doing some planning, knowing what you're going to choose, and that comes down to, for me, fast options that are super easy to do. So we are this week on our meal plan program. For my Thrive program, I send out meal plans every week. So we have pork nourish bowls on the plan, and dinner tonight is pulled pork in the slow cooker. However, we're actually not going to be able to have the pulled pork for dinner. I'm going to put the pulled pork on tonight when I get home from holiday, and it will cook overnight and be ready tomorrow. So then I can just actually portion it into my containers and we're good to go for lunch, because it's pork nourish bowls on the menu this week. So that is the first way that I'm going to make this work for me. The slow cooker is such a gem in this department, where you can just pop something in the slow cooker overnight and then it can be ready for you the next day. So that's the first tip and trick. Now you need to have your ingredients, and that can be problematic when you're on holiday. So you can either, for us we actually have a supermarket just around the corner. I can go and get some groceries today and then take them home with me, and then I've got my groceries with me. I could use online shopping and have it delivered to home if that would work. That's not going to work for us today. So I am actually planning to pick up a few groceries, the ones that we need, and then I will be good to go when we get home. I'll have my slow cooker put on tonight. I will cook my rice when I get home. I will prepare the veggies I need. So we're doing pork nourish bowls. I just need to chop some veggies. I'll probably air fry some zucchini and broccoli to go in my bowls. That won't take long. I can do that either tonight or tomorrow, and my lunches are pretty much good to go. The other thing on the meal plan this week is a pesto sauce that goes with the pork nourish bowls. Now I can easily whip that up myself, because it really is chucking everything into a blender and blitzing it. But if I wanted to save time, I could look at the supermarket and get a calorie appropriate option that is my dressing as well. So that's another option that you can look into. What we're looking at is making things easy and fast so you stay on track. And then when it comes to breakfast, that's definitely an area I would look at from a time point of view. So being away, I would look at, I think on the meal plan this week we have sticky day overnight wheat bix. Well, that takes a little bit more time to prepare. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do chocolate peanut butter overnight oats, which literally takes you throwing all of the ingredients into a jar and chucking it in the fridge. I'll show you, I'll actually add it here so you can see how quick and easy it is to make. The other option you can do in this respect is just have like a smoothie for breakfast. So that's another option when you're looking at saving time. So these are the ways that you can make meal planning and prepping keep you on track when you're away or on holiday, coming back, and hopefully these are helpful so you can implement them. If you haven't already got my meal prep cheat sheet, then just drop the word cheat in the comments and I will make sure I send you. That's just a little list of all the tips and tricks to help your meal prepping and make it even better, so you can create this as a lifestyle behavior that sets you up for success, not only now but going forward into the future. Let's make these super fast chocolate peanut butter oats. This is a perfect meal prep when you are out of time. This one is so easy. You literally just bung all of your ingredients into the jar of your choice or bowl and mix it all up. So we're adding our yogurt. I would normally weigh this so I get the exact amount. Rolled oats, milk to make sure it mixes, protein powder. I use fiber, that's my favorite, and this has peanut butter powder. Once you've got everything added, mix it very well, pop it in the fridge overnight, and voila, you have breakfast ready to go. High in protein, delicious, takes no time. Let me know if this helps you with your meal prepping.